Hi guys, in this video I provide an inheritance example. I will create two classes named car and electric car, where the car class serves as a superclass to the electric car class. Now let's start out defining the class named car. This class will have a single member variable named speed with an initial value of 0. Here I will also add a public method named driveAdd that has a single parameter named speed. This simply sets the speed to the same named member variable. It will also output a message that shows that the car is currently driving at the given speed. And this is all the code for the blueprint of a car. Now in my program, I will create a new instance of this car, and I create a variable named car1 and call the default constructor. Now on this object, I call the driveAdd method and I pass in 30. Now running this program will show a message on the console that my car currently is driving at 30 miles an hour. So this works well. I could even create additional instances of my car. But let's say somehow I noticed that I want my program to support another type of car named electric cars. And so electric cars have additional member variables, let's say a battery level. So I don't want to accommodate this in the car class because that would then have a battery level for every single car that I create. Now I could create a new class, which I will do here. And this is an electric car, but I don't want to duplicate the code. The electric car obviously also has speed and it will have a driveAdd method, but I don't want to duplicate it. So I will create this new class and I will add the extends keyword and add extends car. And so I go back in my program and now I can create an electric car, call this car2, and I call the default constructor of the electric car. Now on car2, I will also call the driveAdd method. Notice that this method is inherited. And here I say it's driving at speed 50. So this electric car now has two inherited member variables, two inherited members. It has the member variable named speed and it has the public method driveAdd. Now running this program again will output two messages. The first car that is driving at speed 30, and the second car, which is an electric car that is driving at speed 50. Notice that I did not duplicate any code. I simply use inheritance to inherit all the members that are needed. And inside my electric car now, I can declare additional variables. So for example, battery level. Initially, the battery level is 0. And so I'll provide also a member method named charge. And this will set the battery level back to 100%. Now in my program here, what I will see is when I have my car class, car1, that one cannot be charged. There's no charge method, right? Because this class doesn't declare it. However, for my electric car, it has all the inherited members variables of and member methods of the superclass car. So it has the driveAdd method that's inherited, and on top of car2, and on top I can also charge it. So if the battery level is somehow empty, I can go back and charge it. Now here I add a message also inside the charge method that says charging battery back to 100%. And so when I run my program again, I get the three messages. The first car is driving at 30, the electric car is driving at 50, and here I charge the battery of the electric car back to 100%. I hope you enjoyed this example of inheritance and it gives you a better idea how to use inheritance in your applications. Thank you for watching.